First of all, hello sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you for asking. And how are you?
I'm also pretty well and thank you so much for asking me. So, please, it's a first meeting, so please something tell about yourself.
Yes, definitely. Why not? Also, first of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am from West Bengal. Professional, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant. And if I talk about my education qualification, I have completed my graduation in mathematics subject. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. Apart from, I am running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me, ma'am. And ma'am, please introduce yourself.
That's nice. That's nice. Yes, thank you so much. So, like as you know, my name is Nishi Sari. Like you told that you belong to West Bengal also, and now you are living in West Bengal. So, where are you this time? Are you outside from hospital, and what are you doing? Right.
Yes. Right now also, right now I am from West Bengal. I belong to village area, and right now also I am at my home. Yeah, and I am on the roof at my house. Yeah, and every single day also I record the video this place because in this place also the network also is very good. Yeah.
Okay, so means like it's a I think coastal area. West Bengal is a coastal area. So how much is temperature in West
Yes.
Bengal?
Yeah, right now also temperature is very high, and summer season is going on. Temperature is very high, and temperature is increasing day by day. And right now also 43 or 44 degrees Celsius temperature right now in our locality. Yeah,
Seriously,
and yeah, ma'am. And your area, how is the weather?
yeah, weather is good. Means not so much good. Means it's a. Let me check. I'm checking. I think weather will be 25 plus. Means I think 30 approx 30 Celsius. It will be temperature. Means it's an part of Delhi.
Yes. And ma'am also,
So
but how long have you been speaking English?
last 4 to 5 months, I have been learning this language. Not more than 4 to 5 months. I will say last, I think 4 5 years. But because of the consistency, I didn't make consistency, so I didn't learn this language. So that's why. But last 4 to 5 months ago, I took decision that I want to be brush up this skill. So that's why now I'm learning this language. So if I
Yes,
say that last 4 5 months I
for
have
around
been
five
learning.
months. But
Yeah.
but in which purpose? In which purpose are you learning English? What is the reason behind it?
Okay. So like basically I am a teacher. So and also this language is a global language. And you know since childhood also we didn't learn this language, and also we didn't get also environment. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes, yes, yes.
and now it's so much demand last I think 4 to 5 years. After 4 to 5 years it has been become means so much demand this language. And you belong to West Bengal. I think Bengali is your mother tongue. What
Yes.
is
Bengali is my mother tongue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So and my mother tongue is Hindi. So how can we convert our ideas? So already English is a global language, and the second language, if I say, so it really easy to convert my message, that how can you understand my views, my thoughts, how can I convey. So it is a simple thing. And another things that I faced a lot of problems. So that's the reason I want to be brush up these skills, that I faced a lot problems that my students, they do not face any problem because of the having of this conversation, because of this language. So these are the things. This is the purpose to learn this language.
Yes, definitely. You're right. Also, you're right. Actually, English is an international language as well as the communication language. Yeah, to communicate each other, to communicate other country of people, English is necessary. English is useful language also. Right now, you are from another state. I am from another state. I have another native language. That's why also after learning English, also we are talking each other. We are connecting each other. That's why also English is a connected language. And the other hand, also English is a professional language. Whenever you go to the interview for taking a good job in a multinational company, first of all, the interviewer asks the question in English. Yeah, that's why also English is very necessary and needful language also right now. And ma'am, also you are also speaking very well. But you are right now also you are a teacher. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. And ma'am, how much time do you practice every single day?
It depends on time. Sometime I give the time like 1 hour, 2 hours. It depends on my mood, that
Yes.
how
Yes.
much I spend and learning to learn this language. And more than 2 hours also I give and also spend so much for learning this language. But you know, if I am not doing anything and am I thinking in my mind that I'm not talking with someone and I'm not listening anything, but I'm talking to myself. Okay, so these are the things also learning point.
Yes. Yes.
Doesn't
Yes.
matter you are spending much more time with someone and you are speaking with someone. Yeah, if we want to learn this language, so we will have to need firstly have a conversation,
Yes. Yes.
learning this skills. But sometimes we face the problem like a partner find out the partner.
Yes.
So
Yes. Ma'am, how many members do you have in your family right now?
now I got married, so we are the 4 members in my family.
Yeah. Yeah. Right now also you are a family member. Also you are and you are a teacher. But how did you improve your English skill?
Okay,
How did you get your free time?
okay. This time, I'm looking a job. So before my wedding, I was working in schools and also I was taking class at my home, tuition teacher. But recently I got married, so that's why I'm not doing any. I'm not working anywhere. So I have a lot of time for spending for learning this language. So I already shared one thing that whenever I get time, I read any topic. Like doesn't matter that I'm reading book or not. But like if I am using the mobile, I'm listening anything, I'm watching podcast, I'm watching any clips, any uh, so many serials are available, and in English serials. I'm talking in English serials. So they make a video, so that video it is not more than 10 minutes. So I watch these videos, and also captions are also available, they are
Yes.
going
Yes.
on, so I read it. So these are the points I follow always. And some all the people, they are engaging and they are using the social media. They are aware on social media and they are using on social media. So like so many stories and so many means I forgot the words, means clips, they are available. So they make the sentence and captions, they jot down there. So I read it. These are the
Yes.
things that to improving myself. So
Yes.
these are the things I am making the strategy.
Yes. Yes. You also whenever you get free time, you also always watch with the YouTube video in English with subtitle. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes. Yes.
sometime I get I'm not unable to understand. So these are the things like how are making the sentence, like you are watching British serials and means foreign serials. So sometime definitely you will get stuck. So these are the things that if you want to be do not want to stuck. So these
Yes.
are
Yes.
the captions are available, that how are means they are running, and we are not understanding, we are not catching
Yes.
their means birding power. So
Yes,
it
yes,
is so
definitely.
easy that caption
Yes, yes, definitely.
can
Also,
be.
whenever I get free time, I also watch the YouTube video in English. And when I watch the YouTube video, that time also I can understand properly. There is no problem in my understanding. But that time also I was thinking I will be able to speak English fluently. But when start speaking, that time also I get stuck. I feel nervous. But because of vocabulary, I don't have a lot of vocabulary. While speaking also I get stuck because of vocabulary. But after conversation also, I was thinking that vocabulary was very easy, but that time also it does not come in my mind. Yeah.
Yes, yes. You know, so many YouTubers, they are available on YouTube. So, like when we start watching these podcasts, so sometimes they use some means advanced vocabs.
Yes,
So,
yes,
when we never listen these type of word meanings and also idioms phrases they are using, so that means they means that time those caption are showing it. So it helps a lot. So these are the things that we make we always make we always indulge in these things, that how much we can get it.
yes, yes, yes. And ma'am, also when start your English speaking journey, that time also did you complete your grammatical rules?
Yeah, means I'm the literature student, and also I'm a, so these are things, and I already shared one thing, that I am a teacher. So no need to so much focus on tenses. These are the things, because before starting these journeys, this journey. So I have started from tenses. I taught tenses from my channel, and I think we always emphasized on that we should be keep remember tenses, passive voice. These are the things. Yeah, they
Yes,
always
yes,
help us, but no need to go yeah, I will also say one thing, that when I started my journey and also I was learning this language, so I always go prefer, and I also emphasizing on making the long sentences. So those who were the mentors, so they always suggested me that, Nishi, do not does not go with long sentences. You will have to keep remember short
yes,
sentences,
yes,
and do not go with also bird meaning. Yeah, they always emphasize that you will have to use bird meaning, means advanced vocabs. If we are not unable to make the sentence in English, means short sentences, no need to go with long sentences. Okay, so how can we use advanced vocabs? Firstly, we need to be focused on short sentences, making correctly sentences. Then you are now you have command on these things, that you can go with advanced vocabs, and you can go with long sentences, and also you can go with framing the sentences. It would be so much helpful. So I
yes,
think I will suggest, and I will suggest to everyone that, yeah, this time I was making mistakes, and so you must try these things, that you should not go with long sentence if you are beginner. If you are
yes, yes.
beginners like
You
me,
are right.
I always look me that I'm beginner, and I'm learning this language. So whenever I'm making mistakes, so please correct me, and you can jot down in the comment box where am I lacking.
Yes, yes, you are right. Also, you are right. When I start my English journey, that time also I start with small sentences. Come here, go there. Yeah. But after that also I add another word. Come here quickly, go there fastly. Yeah. And you are also you have told before also making mistakes. Making mistakes is common. Everyone makes mistakes. No one perfect in this world. That's why also while speaking also I make some mistakes. I know also after making mistake also I will learn. One day I will learn. Yeah, and I do I do mistake. Yeah, I know also mistake is common. Yeah, everyone makes mistakes. And first time also I make mistakes. But after making mistakes also I will learn. Yeah.
So like I was following some teachers and mentors, so they suggested that so when I used to go to park, so that time I kept remembering the sentences that I'm going to park, and this time I'm doing exercise, I'm running. So these are the sentences I kept, I made it. So
Yes.
means that those people, they they looked me that what is she doing, and
Yes.
what
Yes.
is murmuring, what is she murmuring. So I never think about it, that that's okay.
Ma'am
This
also.
time, and when I was jogging, so at that time I kept the means Bluetooth in my ears, and I started listening the videos, and also I do not I did not key means memorizing these videos, like watching. I didn't watch the videos, but I was memorizing. And also sometime I spoke and repeated these words, that how are they making the sentences. So
Yes. Yes.
these were the strategies I followed at that time. But this time, my routine, my schedule has changed, has been totally changed.
Yes.
So I want to ask one thing, that why do you want to learn this language, and what is the purpose behind it, that learning
Yes.
this
Yes.
language?
Yes, yes. I am learning is because there is another reason. Because when I was starting in my school life, when I was starting in class 8 standard and 9 standard, that time my English was not good. And that time also I could not write one sentence in English properly. That time also I always scared of the English subject. Yeah. And as far as I remember, one day our English class teacher gave me writing a paragraph about our village. And that time also I wrote 10 sentences, but there was one sentence is correct and the rest of the other sentences were wrong. Yeah. But in this time also I am working person. Whenever I get free time, I always try to learn English. First of all, I have cleared the grammatical rules, and in this time also I can write properly. There is no problem in my writing, but I cannot speak properly. That's why also I have been practicing right now, and I have been speaking about 6 months. Right now also every single day I talk to other people for improving my English skill. Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. So, what do you want to be do in your future? That
Right,
you
right now also my goal is I want to be a good speaker. That's why also I am practicing right now. Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, right now also you are from UP, yeah?
Yeah, I'm from UP, but now I'm living in Faridabad, Haryana.
Oh, yeah, yeah. But ma'am, what is your favorite food?
Sorry,
What is your favorite food?
favorite food? Hmm. Chole bhature.
And do you like junk food? Do you like fast food?
Yeah, I like fast food. Sometimes it can be. I think we have it in.
Yes, yes.
If we are having the food in a 1 month, means how can we make the sentence? How can we correct the frame frame the sentence? 1 month, it will correct.
Yeah.
Means yeah, I have the food.
Yeah. All right. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a
Yeah.
good day. Yeah.